Welcome back, and thank you for joining me. I'm JTH of JTH Reviews. All right, today I am also going to throw this out there. Just a slight idea, and I think it's something somebody should take and run with, and they should go with it. But got some stuff from BCF. We'll see flavors. Yep. All right. Now, normally comes in this package. Don't get me wrong, keep it in the package, but now, however, I have done something a little bit different. Who wouldn't love to get their products in this? See that? Check that out. Everybody likes good and bad. Absolutely, absolutely. Alright, now, something else I wanted to point out before. I have talked about them. Do it this way so you can see. Look at the bottles. Look at each one of those bottles. Now, let's do it so you can actually see. No air bubbles. Every time from Bull City, they are filled to the brim. And that is something that I absolutely appreciate. Everybody wants more bang for their buck, especially people on a budget. So, with that being said, other places, and they just, it's not the same. You don't get the same quality. Alright, now, today we are going to be popping open, let's see, I think I got Dulce de Leche, peanut butter, juicy peach, pineapple, fruit circles, crunchy berry cereal, deluxe, or well, DX, hazelnut, berry mix, gummy candy, crunchy cereal, oh, sorry, all those are TFA. Now, the gummy candy and crunchy cereal I got from Flavor West. Then we have Fuji apple, Fuji, marzipan and pear from Flavor Art, and that all came in. And like I said, everything, if I can do this, is all full. Everything's full. So now